Hey chefs, let's talk about the menu section and how you can add new items, categories, and change the categories position. So as you can see here, currently we have the burgers as the top category, but we can also change it for the salads, for example. And what will happen now if I refresh it is that the salad will be on top. Let's bring it back again. Okay. Um, Now, if you want to add a new category, you can add new category here. So for example, burgers, pizzas, drinks, whatever you can add here. And then drinks, and we'll save it. And then, opa, we have a new category here. To add item, we basically just press on add item and we call it, let's call it just extra burger. We'll give it description, the best burger ever, and we'll give it a price and an image. So just give it an image and save it. Okay, what you can do now is to add extras. So for example, cheese, jalapeno, whatever, bacon. So you can set up price for each of those, and you can also add variants. So for example, different sizes of the hamburger. How you will do it? To add variants, you will press on add enable variants here, and you'll press on save. And now you'll go to add variant, and we'll just add different sizes. So let's say size, and say small, medium, and large. What we're going to do next is we're gonna set pricing for each of those. So how you do it, you go back to the item management section and you press on add variant, and now we set price. So 10 for the small. Opa. So as you can see, what I did here, I did a mistake. The medium and large, I didn't do it right. So what I need to do is to go back to the extra burger, and I'll show you how you can edit. You edit options, and instead of we just add this. Now it should be fine. So I'll go back to add variants. And as you can see, it was separated. So medium, let's say it's 11. And large will be 12. Okay, perfect. If you want to add any other variants apart from size, you can go to edit options, add new options, and then give the name, and then do the same drill again. Basically add prices to each of the variants that you created. Okay, now let's add some extras. So cheese, and we can set here, let's say 3. And then what you can do is, for example, if cheese costs you a lot of money, right, and the price for $3, pounds, whatever it is, you can add it only for small, medium, large, or you can add it to all. But let's say that it's very expensive the cheese is very expensive, then you will add $3 for small. You can mark all of those for all, but let's say that we add only for small, and then we can add different extras price to different products, because cheese, and the medium will be 4, let's say. Okay, most of the time it will be the same price to all of them, but just in case. And you can add any variant that you want. So jalapeno, this will be 1 pound, and this will be added to all. And at the end, don't forget to save everything. And now if we go here, refresh it, You see extra burger, just created it. So if I choose the small, the cheese price is 3. If I go to the medium, the cheese price is 4. And if I go to large, we just added there the jalapeno. Okay.